Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change the balance on your Samsung 2024 model TV. This is only going to be the balance of the actual TV speakers themselves. So we need to go to the settings button on the remote control. It's down the bottom left. And we need to go to where it says sound. So move down to sound, and I'm going to move over to the right hand side. And then I'm going to go down to expert settings, press enter. And right now, balance is actually blanked out. That's because my soundbar is connected. So I'm going to turn off my soundbar, and then you will see that balance is now enabled. We're going to go into balance, and this is where you can use the left and right arrows to go between the left hand side and the right hand side. So you can adjust it to what you like, and that will be it. Then just go down to close. So that's how to do the balance on your Samsung TV. Thanks for watching.